Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff, and today I'm gonna show you the 4122 Winch Shackle. So thank you Nipo for sponsoring this. So this winch shackle is really looking, and when you winch it, it's gonna be secured. So this winch shackle is made of single billet of 61 T6 aircraft grade aluminum, and it has a braking strength more than 41,000, but they put it in here they put it here for 15,000 for safety. So that's good. So yeah, and yes, it's been powder coated as you can see. So I told Nipo that I want it like black and red, so it looks cool on that color. And so it comes with a 5/8 hardened steel, so it's right here, and it's kind of secured with a screw here, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So that's the pin, and it's provided by some hardware like lug nuts and bolts, and extra screw for the pin. And I don't know, I forgot what the size of this, but this is a Allen wrench. So yeah, and it looks really cool. So stay tuned guys, and I'm gonna show you how to install this to my RAV4. So as you can see, I want to replace this, especially with this like moving around there, and I kinda don't like the look of it, especially this one. This two does have a purpose, so just a decoration, because the real tow hook is underneath here. So I'm planning to remove that. So I'm gonna unbolt this. So it's an Allen wrench here. So yeah, let me just get my tools. Alright, so I removed this fairlead. So now I'm gonna put this one, try not to scratch it. Well, it's gonna get scratched in the throttle anyway. So this is the provided bolt. So yes, so this is the provided bolt, lock washer, and nuts. So I'm just gonna put this one first, insert here, so it's gonna be more easier to install it. So it's gonna be like that. So it's gonna be the same thing with the other ones. So yeah, okay. So I already tightened that, and it fits perfectly. So one more, and after that we're gonna install the winch shackle there. I mean the Hulk winch shackle. We just make it tight. It's not gonna go anywhere now. The next one, we're gonna unscrew this, so to release the pin. So the 4122 provided a Allen key. So there's I think it might be like 1mm or something. So we're gonna remove that. So it's really well designed. So yeah, really well designed and beautiful. Okay, now we can release the pin, and then you just simply just put this one here, put the pin back, and tie it down, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So it's pretty easy to install here, especially it's gonna be more easier if you got an open space, because this one it's kind of like having a struggle because my hand's really big. So but still I can manage to unbolt it without removing some stuff here. Alright. So now it's not gonna go anywhere. Now we're gonna put some tension on it. Okay. Just make it a little bit tension on it. There. It's not gonna go anywhere. And it looks clean looking too. So that's it, guys. So I've been using this winch a lot, so once again thank you at 4122 for sponsoring this, especially Nipo. So I'm really happy with it. Now I'm gonna remove this now, this fake one, so I'm gonna have more like approach angle, something like that. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. So I'll see you next time for another DIY for my wrapper. So peace out, guys.